See, apart from outside the northeastern state, the mandatory system that we made in the entry point is RAT. Rapid antigen test has to be done to each and every individual, be it night super, be it tourist, or be it private. No, they are exempted. Those people who who just transit, they don't have to take any test in the entry point. No, that cannot be done, because now when the driver stop the vehicle over there, then our team will question the drivers. How many of them who supposed to get down in Rumbai? How many of them who get down in Jiwai or maybe in Ribhoi district? Okay, the driver, they knew everything because they issued a ticket. The fare is already paid, so they cannot just get out of themselves with that policy.